Hello guys, so I've been using the 7 Rooms reservation system for a while now, and honestly, it's been a game changer for managing hospitality operations. Right from the start, I noticed how the platform is designed to give you full control over reservations, wait lists, and table management all in one place, which really streamlines the guest experience. For anyone running a restaurant, hotel, or entertainment venue, this kind of integrated solution is a massive help. For example, if you run a small cafe with a mix of reservations and walk-ins, 7 Rooms lets you see exactly which tables are available, who is on the wait list, and which reservations might need reminders, all from one dashboard. That kind of visibility can reduce double bookings and improve guest satisfaction. What stands out the most to me is how 7 Rooms doesn't charge any commission on reservations, which means you keep more of your profits while still getting a powerful set of tools to run your business smoothly. This is especially valuable for small hospitality businesses or Shopify merchants who offer dine-in experiences or pop-up events, as every reservation directly contributes to your bottom line. One of the things I appreciate about 7 Rooms is how it helps build detailed guest profiles, letting me personalize interactions and tailor marketing campaigns. This makes repeat visits more likely because guests feel remembered and valued. For instance, the system can track guest preferences, birthdays, or dietary restrictions, allowing you to send targeted offers or special event invites. The system's marketing automation and email marketing features have been really useful for promoting special events and keeping customers engaged without having to juggle multiple platforms, saving time and reducing errors. The reservation management itself is super intuitive. Adding guests, managing peak hours, and handling wait lists feels seamless. It's made a noticeable difference in reducing wait times and maximizing seating efficiency. For a Shopify store owner hosting events or tasting sessions, this means fewer bottlenecks, happier customers, and smoother operations during busy periods. That said, there are a few rough edges. The mobile app doesn't offer as many features as the desktop version, which can be limiting when you're on the move and want to make quick adjustments. Also, I've encountered some integration hiccups, especially syncing with certain POS systems like Oracle Micros, which can slow down reporting and operations a bit. For multi-location businesses, this could impact how quickly sales data or reservations are reflected in your system. Speaking of reporting, while 7 Rooms provides solid guest data and insights, I think the reporting tools could be improved with more filtering options and visual summaries, especially for businesses managing multiple locations or brands. It would be great to have quicker access to year-to-date trends and more customizable reports without needing to export data manually. This would help owners quickly see which promotions or times of day are performing best, aiding in smarter staffing and marketing decisions. Another point to mention is that setting up your floor plan requires an iPad, which might be an extra cost for some smaller businesses. Plus, the platform tends to work best in Apple-heavy environments, as there have been occasional issues with Android compatibility. This is worth noting if your team relies on Android devices or tablets for daily operations. The onboarding process for new users can be a bit steep too, given the breadth of features. But once you get the hang of it, 7 Rooms really shines. Spending the time to set up detailed guest profiles, automated emails, and accurate table maps pays off in operational efficiency and guest satisfaction. Pricing-wise, it's on the higher side, but considering the value it brings through its comprehensive reservation, marketing, and guest management capabilities, it feels justified overall. When you factor in saved labor hours, higher guest retention, and the ability to run targeted campaigns, the return on investment can be significant. 7 Rooms has helped me take better control of guest data, run operations more efficiently, and improve the overall guest experience. If you're serious about hospitality and want a robust, all-in-one system that grows with your business, 7 Rooms is definitely worth checking out. For Shopify store owners or small business operators branching into in-person experiences, it can be a powerful tool to manage bookings, events, and guest engagement all in one place.